Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever felt overwhelmed by scattered information at work, or wished your team had a single, organized hub for everything important, then this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you step by step through building a professional company knowledge base using Notion. And the best part is, we'll leverage Notion's powerful free template to save you tons of setup time and effort. By the end of this video, you'll have a centralized, fully customizable workspace that your entire company can rely on for documentation, onboarding, FAQs, and so much more. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, open up Notion on your desktop or browser. Now, instead of building our knowledge base from scratch, which can get tricky and time-consuming, we're going to take advantage of Notion's free company knowledge base template. This is a fantastic choice because it comes with a clean, professional look right out of the box, and it's designed to cover the kinds of info that teams need most. Don't worry if you haven't used Notion templates before. They're easy to find and even easier to use. So look up at the top left of your Notion window, you'll see a little drop-down or a sidebar menu depending on your screen size. Click on that and you should see an option for more options. Sometimes it might just be a three-dot icon if the menu's condensed. That will open up a list of extra features. What you're looking for is the Browse Templates option. Click it and you'll be taken to Notion's enormous gallery of pre-built layouts. Here, where the fun part begins. In the search bar at the top or simply by scrolling a bit, type in Company Knowledge Base. Notion offers a couple of variations, so take a moment to preview those. You might notice some are more oriented towards it, while others are broader, covering HR policies, project guidelines, or even onboarding docs. Pick the one that feels like the best fit for your team's needs, knowing you can swap things out later. Once you've found your ideal template, just click Add to bring it into your workspace. This might take a few seconds to copy over all of the structured pages and formatting, so if there's a brief pause, don't worry, that's totally normal. When it's ready, you'll see your new knowledge base laid out in front of you, complete with sample sections, spaces for company guidelines, and different categories to organize your documents. Here, where you make it yours, start by adding your official company name and then fill in any credentials, links, or starter content your team will need. This could be your internal policies, how-to guides, or even links to common tools. Think of this like moving into a new house. The rooms are already there, but now you get to put up your own photos and arrange the furniture just the way you like it. You can also bring in your own creatives, things like your company logo, brand colors, or even a welcome message for new team members. Don't be afraid to customize things as you go. Add or remove sections, update headings, or tweak the layout to match the way your team actually works. The template gives you a polished foundation, but it's totally flexible. The more you add your own flair, the more useful it will become for everyone at your company. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few quick steps, you've set up a powerful company knowledge base in Notion that looks professional and can be tailored exactly to your team's needs. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions about customizing your knowledge base, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical Notion tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.